Are you ready to boost your Instagram game? Want to make the Instagram algorithm fall in love with you? Here are 5 must do's to increase your visibility and engagement. Number 1, post consistently. You don't need to post every day. Just stick to a schedule. Consistency keeps your audience engaged and signals to the algorithm that your account is active and reliable. Remember, consistency is the key. Number 2, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, reply to DMs, and like your followers' posts. Show some love to get some love. It's called social media for a reason, so socialize. Number 3, post real stories and reels. Share authentic moments and create engaging short videos. The algorithm prioritizes these, helping you reach a wider audience. Number 4, create original content. Be unique and let your creativity shine. Unique content sets you apart from the crowd and encourages people to follow and engage with you. Tap into your creativity to develop fresh ideas that reflect your brand's personality and values. And lastly, number 5, add value with your content. Educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Valuable content gets shared and engaged with, boosting your reach and impact. Follow these tips and you'll see your Instagram engagement soar. So, start today and watch your account grow. And if you find value in this video, do like, share, and be sure to follow so you can stay in touch with my weekly Monday marketing videos. Also, do check out my highlights. On my profile, I usually talk about dance, wellness, and finance. It's time for Tuesday tutorial tomorrow. Peace.